શિખા અને પરેશભાઈ આકે લગ્ન જીવન જે ખૂબ ખૂબ વધાય આજો જીવન ફૂલો જે રીતે મહેકતો રહે ને આનંદમય રહે એના મુજા આશીર્વાદ આપ.
Hey Shikha, hey Paresh bhai, many happy anniversary.
Hey Shikha and Paresh bhai, wish you a very happy wedding anniversary.
आप दोनों का ये साथ कभी ना छूटे.
दुआ है रब से कि आप एक दूसरे से कभी ना रूठे.
7 जन्मों का ये रिश्ता आप निभाए ऐसे
कि खुशियों का दामन कभी ना छूटे.
many happy anniversary. Hey.
Many happy anniversary and many more to go.
Wish you both a very happy wedding anniversary, Shikha and Paresh. Shikha and Paresh, असी अंके नेरियो है 17 वरे आ साथे असी अंके नेरियो है कि आई ग्रो थया है ने बोय हकड़े में जो साथ देना है मथे नीचे नेरियो लाइफ के तभी अगले में के साथ देने ऊपर आ गया है ने हेडी रीते ज रोजा. विश यू बोथ अ वेरी हैप्पी वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary, Masi. Happy anniversary, Masa. I hope you guys are having fun and I hope you have a great year ahead. Masi, I still remember the time when mom never sent me out with you. She would get scared. She would think that you were irresponsible and you would just leave my hand while crossing the road. Honestly, what I think is my mom considers you as her priority, her first daughter ever. She loves you a lot and we all love you as much as my mom does. So I'm okay with it. Actually, you don't know how much impact you have on all of our lives. We see it in Darshi's growth and we think that you're an incredible mother. So Masi, I have prepared something for you and I hope you like it. Here it goes. जन्म देने वाली ना सही, चालाक, चतुर और चालू सी, तेरा कोई जवाब नहीं, तू तो है मेरे माँ जैसी. Now coming to Masa. Masa, you are a better half in every way possible. I have seen you guys playing as a team in all aspects of life. Thank you for making my Masi's dream come true of a palace of her own. We've literally seen how beautifully y'all have carved your house and I literally have a lot of memories in your house. So, and of course your house is the best I've ever seen. So kudos to you guys. Masa, you actually have been an inspiration to all of us. Your hard work, you dreaming and achieving your dream has taught us a lot of things. Whenever I've had my low days, my mom has always given me an example of you, that Paresh Masa has not just dreamt and let the magic happen. Like, you can't just let a magic happen in life. You have to work towards it and learn from Masa that you know how far he's come in life. So thank you for teaching me that you know you need to struggle and work hard to achieve something. Thank you for teaching Darshi the same thing, for inculcating the best values in Darshi. I literally think that you guys have raised her incredibly well. On this day, I wish you guys all the love and all the happiness. And I know it's a quarantine anniversary, but I also know that you guys, being the best entertainers of the family, will keep each other entertained throughout the day. So keep the tutu meme going and keep the love stronger.
Hi, happy anniversary, Shikha Fuya and Paresh Fuwa. Wishing you guys a lot of happiness, love, laughter, and I hope you guys have a perfect day. I know it's not possible, but still have a great day and happy anniversary.
Happy
Bye.
17th anniversary Shikha Fui and Paresh Fua.
હેપી એનિવર્સરી પરેશ અને શિખા.
અહીં બોય ખુશ રોજા આ બીજી લાઈફ એકદમ મસ્તી में અને સારી રીતે બને અને અહીં આપણે બેલા બોય બંને આવ્યો અને આખી નેરેને અસાંखे બહુ ખુશી थी હતી અને આ બોય જિંદા દિલથી રોજા અને આકે દિવસે દિવસે આજી મેં પ્રગતિ થઈએ અને લાઈફ અહીં એન્જોય કરી જા અને મણી રીતે ખુશ રોજા. હેપી એનિવર્સરી once again.
Happy anniversary to my dashing mama and my gorgeous mommy. Wishing you both many more years of togetherness. Stay like this only, always having fun and making us have fun. Thank you.
राज्य जो सरप्राइज अच्छे तो અને अच्छे कैसे बहुत बनाए राज्य पाके तो एंजॉय કરી પાસે શિખા ખૂબ જિંદા દિલ રહી અને ખુશ રહેતી વધારે ગમે પ્લસ અહીં લોકો બહુ જણા એ રીતે જ ખુશ રહો અને પ્રગતિ એરિયા કહેતા
Happy anniversary.
પરેશ એન્ડ શિખા
Thank you Mama Mami. I know बहुत सुपर डांस किया हुआ मुझे वेन में एंगेजमेंट में. We just enjoyed so much. Please ऐसे रौंदा रहो जो. You are so happy.
Hi Mama, hi Mommy. Happy 17th anniversary. I have to say you all are really good hosts and Mommy you're a great cook. And I'm still waiting for your famous sizzler. Happy anniversary.
ये देखो हमारी शादी की फोटो.
जिन जख्मों को वक्त भर चला है तुम क्यों उन्हें छेड़े जा रहे हो.
Jokes apart, guys. Wish you a very happy anniversary, Mama and Mommy.
जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में धड़कते दिल के तराने लिए मिलन की मस्ती बड़ी आँखों में हजार सपने सुहाने लिए ओ चला जाता वॉल्यूम स्लो कर रेडियो. हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी शिखा एंड परेश. गॉड ब्लेस यू.
Enjoy. ચાલ જીતેશ આપણે આજે થોડી મેમરીઝ જોવા જઈએ.
Hi Paresh bhai. Hi Shikha. Wish you both a very happy 17th anniversary. Today is your anniversary. We would like to add small memories on your anniversary. Here we go.
भगवान कितना बदल गया इंसान, कितना बदल गया इंसान। सूरज न बदला, चांद न बदला, ना बदला ये आसमान, कितना बदल गया इंसान, कितना बदल गया इंसान।
Have a lovely day and a beautiful year ahead of you. Wish you both a very happy anniversary.
Wishing a lovely couple a very happy anniversary. પરેશભાઈ એકદમ ધીર અને ગંભીર અને શિખા ચુલબુલ, જે મનમાં છે એ જ મોઢા પર છે. We love you for it, Shikha. A truly complimenting couple.
Happy anniversary, Shikha and Paresh bhai. Lots of happiness for togetherness. You are truly a first world couple. Enjoy. This song
Replicates your love story.
दो लफ्जों में ये बयां ना हो पाए, एक लड़का एक लड़की की ये कहानी है नहीं, दो लफ्जों में ये बयां ना हो पाए।
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
जब तू लटक मटक लौंडो के दिल पटक पटक, ससे जाए अटक अटक, आता माझी सटक सटक, बम तेरा को देखाए कमर पे तेरी बटरफ्लाई।
বড় লোকের বেটি লো লম্বা লম্বা চুল, এমন মাথায় বেঁধে দেব লাল গেঁদা ফুল। বড় লোকের বেটি লো লম্বা লম্বা চুল, এমন মাথায় বেঁধে দেব লাল গেঁদা ফুল।
On your anniversary, wish you always have fun and be merry. May your love for each other grow with each passing day, and happiness be forever with you. That's all I have to say.
Happy anniversary, Paresh uncle and Shikha auntie, from all of us.
Happy anniversary, Paresh and Shikha. As we all know, music and dance are your favorite. So we've tried a bit. Hope you guys like it. Enjoy.
Paresh, Shikha just said Buddha mil gaya. In response to that, I just have one thing to say. ओ मेरी ज़रा जबी तुझे मालूम नहीं, तू अभी तक है हंसी और मैं जवान, तुझ पे कुर्बान मेरी जान। ये शौकिया ये बागपन जो तुझ में है कहीं नहीं, दिलों को जीतने का फन जो तुझ में है कहीं नहीं। मैं तेरी आंखों में पा गया दो जहां, मैं तेरी आंखों में पा गया दो जहां. So Shikha, despite all the fun that you made of me, I have all the love for you. Love you. Love you guys.
Shikha and Paresh, wish you a very happy anniversary. Shikha, તે ઘણું કહી દીધું પરેશ માટે. Paresh, you said your bit for Shikha. Now both of us want to say something for you. I'll just sing a few lines. નયન ને બંધ રાખી મેં જ્યારે તમને જોયા છે, નયન ને બંધ રાખીને મેં જ્યારે તમને જોયા છે, અમારા કરતા પણ વધારે તમને જોયા છે.
Love you guys.
Love you guys. Have a great day.
Relax now, the body with the boot knot. Relax now, the body with the boot knot. Relax now, the body with the boot knot. Relax now, जब सारी दुनिया सो जाती है after party हो जाती.
Wishing you a very very happy anniversary, Paresh and Shikha.
Enjoy your day and enjoy your anniversary, quarantine anniversary. You guys love it. We all love you.
Happy anniversary, Chachi. Have a great one.
साल भर में सबसे प्यारा होता है एक दिन, सौ दुआएं दे रहा दिन आज के ये दिन.
Wish you happy anniversary. Wish you happy anniversary.
Wish you happy anniversary. Wish you happy anniversary. Wish you a very happy anniversary. And Paresh, wish you all good luck for the future. Happy anniversary.
Shikha, hi Paresh.
Hello friends.
Wish you a very very happy marriage anniversary. Hope પરેશ તને આમ જ ઝેલે, બહુ બધા વરસ ભગવાન એને શક્તિ આપે, તાકાત આપે અને અમારો ફૂલ સપોર્ટ છે પરેશને કે આમ જ તને ઝેલ્યા કરે અને હેપી મેરેજ એનિવર્સરી મનાવ્યા કરે.
I would say rather other things. Paresh, you are very lucky though you have got Shika in your life and she has been very much caring. I hope so. She has been very caring for you and have a very very long loving togetherness for many years.
બેઉ જણા સાથે લવેબલ મેમરીઝ બનાવો અને શેર કરો અમારી સાથે.
See you. Bye bye. All the best.
Gala and Shikha, wishing you both a very happy anniversary. Have a wonderful year and a lovely day.
Hi Shikha, Paresh, wishing you a very happy anniversary. Have a great day.
Mr. and Mrs. Dupatta.
Happy anniversary, Shikha, Paresh.
Hey Shika and Paresh, happy anniversary. Happy anniversary and many more to come. Trust you're doing good and enjoying life together. And special thanks to Darshi for organizing this and letting us know and be a part of this celebration. Once again, happy anniversary and many more to come. Thank you.
Happy anniversary, Shikha and Gala.
Wish you a very happy anniversary, Gala and Shikha. We are friends for more than 40 years, Gala, and it has been 17 years since I know Shikha, though doesn't feel like it. You have together made enough wealth in the last 17 years. I hope that in the next 17 you get enough health as well as wealth. Again, wish you a very happy anniversary and we hope to celebrate your 25th together. All 5 of us, hum 5.
Happy anniversary to both of you. Have a very nice day and have lovely food today and celebrate with your daughter and best of luck.
Happy anniversary, Gala uncle and Shikha auntie. Enjoy your day.
Hi Shika, Paresh.
Hi Shikha and Paresh. Happy
Happy anniversary.
Have a wonderful day and a great year ahead.
Enjoy.
Happy quarantine anniversary. Okay, have a nice day.
Bye.
Hi Paresh, hi Shikha. Wishing you happy anniversary and many more years of togetherness.
Hi Shikha, Paresh. Wishing you a happy anniversary. Lots of love. Enjoy your day.
Happy anniversary, Paresh and Shikha.
You have such a lovely daughter. She is taking so much efforts for your celebration.
We will miss the samosa party though.
But I'll mark it on the pending list. Enjoy your day.
Hi Paresh, hi Shikha. Wish you a many happy returns of the day and happy anniversary to both of you.
Hey Shikha, Paresh, happy anniversary.
Hi Shikha.
Hi Paresh.
Wish you a many happy anniversary.
Wish you both a very happy anniversary.
Very happy anniversary, Paresh and Shikha.
anniversary. Cheers. By the way, please maintain social distancing while COVID-19 lockdown is going on.
मार रहा संसार अब तू आने दे रफ्तार तेरी तो बाहें पतवार कदम है तेरे हाहाकार तेरी नस नस लोहा तार तू है आग मिलखार
Happy anniversary, Paresh and Shikha.
छोड़ दे बीते कल
पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा.
I am here to wish Shikhanti and Paresh uncle happy anniversary.
एक फ्रेंड जरूरी होता है ऐसे एक फ्रेंड
जरूरी होता है कोई सुबह 5 बजे नीचे जगाए कोई रात को 3 बजे जागे
मुझको गले लगा के बैठा दिया फलक पे मुझे खाक से उठा के रात बिहारी को मैंने तो खुदा माना याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना
Shikha, auntie and Paresh uncle, I will make a cake and happy anniversary.
डायमंड बिस्किट जब भी मूड हो खा लो. डायमंड बिस्किट हेल्थी स्वाद को पालो. मम्मी पापा जब भी लाते सारे बच्चे खुश हो जाते. टॉइंग टॉइंग. डायमंड बिस्किट हेल्थी स्वाद को